Hi, so back in November I put this video up all about the plugins you need as a voice actor, and I had a comment from Men of Culture asking about the free Reaper FX Chain preset that I put the link to download in the description of that video, asking how do you use it or how do you link it with Reaper. It's dead simple. There are actually a couple of ways you can do it. First thing you need to do is go to Reaper. So you go to Reaper, open it up, go to your track, and here you've got to show FX track window. Hit that. You actually have to then hit it again. A little unintuitive, but there we go. Now, two ways you can do this. You can either hit FX, and that will take you to this menu. Go down to Add FX Chain, and then you just click that wherever your FX chain is, and then you can double click or hit open, and that will add the FX chain. Or you can just, wherever you've got it, drag and drop that FX chain. Let me bring this in. So here it is. I've got it on my desktop here, the only thing on my desktop. And you just pick it up, drag it and drop it there, and it's all ready to go. I hope that helps. See you next time. Cheers.